Want to learn how to make sizzling chicken fajitas like this? Stick around and I'll show you how to make this simple, easy, and delicious recipe. Here's all the ingredients we used in this recipe. As always, it'll be listed in the description box in full detail for reference. And with that being said, now let's begin prepping. Go ahead and grab your tomato. We're going to cut this in quarters and set it aside for the ranchero sauce. We're using 2 bowls, one for the ranchero sauce and one for the chicken marinade. Next, we're going to get our red onion and we're going to use half for the ranchero sauce and the other half we're going to use to saute with our chicken. Now we're going to thinly slice half a jalapeno and this is going to go with our chicken marinade. Now we're going to take another jalapeno and we're going to cut it into pieces, and this is going to be for our ranchero sauce. Now in the bowl that we're preparing our ranchero sauce ingredients in, add 1 lime. Now we're going to break down our red bell pepper. We're going to use half for the ranchero sauce and the other half we're going to use to go with our veggies we saute our chicken with. Okay, go ahead and break down your green bell pepper, and it's going to be the same thing as the red bell pepper. Half's going to go with the ranchero sauce, and the other half is going to go with the vegetables we saute our chicken with. Now we're going to mince up some garlic, and we are going to be using 2 tablespoons to go in our ranchero sauce when we're cooking it. Here we used 1/4 of the cilantro bunch, and we're going to chop this up, and this is going to go into our chicken marinade. Now we're going to take 1 lime and we're going to add this to our chicken marinade bowl. Grab your chicken breast, cut this into slices. This is about 2 medium-sized chicken breasts. Add this to the marinade bowl with a coat of oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of Lawry seasoning, and a ½ teaspoon of cumin. And from our prep earlier, we already have 1/4 cilantro bunch, 1 lime, ½ a jalapeno added. Go ahead and mix this up, and you can set this in the fridge for 30 minutes or overnight. Next, get your ingredients for the ranchero sauce: 2 tomatoes, ½ a red onion, 1 lime, ½ a red bell pepper, ½ a green bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno. Add some oil to a pan, medium-high heat. Dump your ranchero sauce veggies in the pan and cook until fragrant. Add 4 ounces of tomato sauce. Two tablespoons of minced garlic. Lastly, add half a cup of water. And now we're going to cook this down till it's nice and tender. Okay, next grab a bowl, add your ingredients, and go ahead and blend this up to the consistency that you're satisfied with. Now to our ranchero sauce, add 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of Lawry seasoning. Mix, mix, mix. And go ahead and give it a taste, make sure the seasoning's all good. Add some oil to a pan, medium-high heat, and grab our marinated chicken and start frying. Just before the chicken's fully cooked, we're going to go ahead and add our bell peppers and our red onions and finish it off. This dish was cooked in multiple batches. You can portion out the veggies and chicken however you like. That's looking good and ready to go. The smell is amazing. Time to plate this up and get ready to eat. Go ahead and top it off with the ranchero sauce and it's ready to go. And there you have it, our take on chicken fajitas. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please let me know in the comments what you think. And until next time.